loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Cohorted March box. It finally came. I had such a hard time with my February box. It got lost and I couldn't, I sent like I think 2 mails for them. In the first time they didn't like, they said me, oh, your package tracked from here, and it was like from Taiwan's webpage, and I was like, what? And then I kind of unsubscribed from the beauty box, and after that they sent a new February box because it's said on the webpage unfulfilled, so they weren't even sending it out. It wasn't even sent out. So anyway, I got it. It wasn't as like, I think only 2 items were in what was supposed to be in the box. Others were like replacements. No, they were like nice. I got in a mask and Dozy lip liner and things like that. But rest of you get Chanel and I get like something else. I don't know. Anyway, this month is as it's supposed to be. So I love the boxes. They come in, no, everything comes in this kind of black box, and ta-da! All the items are in. I pay like 41 euros with shipping because it is coming from the UK. For people in UK it's cheaper, and this box value is £95, so it's more in euros. It's definitely worth it. And the first item in this box is this kind of bath salt. It's the Verdad Alchemy Breathe-In bath salt, and it retails for £12. I love taking baths, so I will be putting this into the good use. What we have next? Oh, my very first Zoeva product, and this is the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. I think you could, yeah, you could get the Cocoa Blend or Naturally Yours. I got the Cocoa Blend and it retails for £18. I don't know, I really do like the colors here. I haven't tried any of their shadows before, but I really do like, I like the mattes, the boring mattes as pre-use. Others are very neutral too, but I don't know. I have something, a love relationship with mattes, so this is definitely a gorgeous, gorgeous palette to have. And I love the packaging, and it's so sleek. Fits perfectly in my kit. Next, we have something from Seattle, London. Actually, we have a couple of items from Seattle, but this is the liquid chrome in shade Venus, and you could get Venus or Nova. I got Venus, and it retails for £15. Sorry for looking down, but I want to get all the packs right. So this is how it looks. Let me do a swatch for you guys. I haven't even swatched it myself. Ooh, well, now that's a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't know if it looks on me that good, but I think it would look amazing on a deeper skin tone beauty. But I will try it out and let you guys know how I like the formula. The color looks amazing though. Really like the color. Then from Seattle, we also have the Wonder Wand Gel Gold Liner. I have the Wonder Wand mascara and I really like it, so I'm eager to try a new liner. And the packaging is amazing, and voila, like I mean, it looks pretty amazing. It wait, I will tell you the shade name. The shade is Butter, and you could get only like, yeah, one shade. It's like this kind of gray liner. It would look nice on the lower lash line, and other side you have like kind of brush to, I don't know, brush it out. Here they show like on the pictures like very sharp lines, so that's interesting. How did they do that? But this is how it looks. It is pigmented, and I love the fun packaging. Seattle always has like super pretty packaging. I really want to try more from the brand. I'm very interested in their products, to be honest. So I'm happy about these, and it retails £15 if I didn't say, and that chrome lip is also 15. And there is a 20% off coupon also, and then we have two Drunk Elephant look samples. There is this luxury size jelly cleanser. Yeah, I have their eye serum, and I still don't know how I feel about it. It works, but I'm not sure if I love it or not. And then there is also the Sheer Physical Daily Defense SPF 30 sunscreen. It has 20% zinc oxide, so I'm eager to try this. And this retails for £15, but I don't think they mentioned the other one, so this one is just an extra. Then we have some Cave Beauty. I love Cave Beauty products, and I got the gold foil sheet mask. It's gonna look like amazing. It retails for £10, and I can't wait to try it out. I need to do sheet mask showdown. I haven't done one in such a long time. This post takes I don't know, it takes a little bit of effort because I have to make pictures before I use the product, and then before and after photos with the mask and so on. And doing the mask is itself, but I have to just get into it. Just starting is this, but I'm really excited to try this mask out. It retails for £10. It's soothing, hydrates, and brightens, so sounds amazing. And the last one is the Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliant Pre-Wash Treatment. I have never tried anything like this. It's retails for £10, and yeah, it sounds so interesting and unique product. Anyway, I'm really excited. There is lots of new things. I haven't tried any of those. I'm so happy I got the look samples of Drunk Elephant skincare, so I can really see if I like it. This is such a cute size, and you don't need a lot of like a big sunscreen. I will start testing this out and let you guys know. If you have any requests, do let me know in the comment section which products you want me to review first. As always, I'm so happy you watched this video. Give me thumbs up if you liked it. It will help me a lot. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.